How to rotate photo in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate and make changes. First of all, open the application. Now here in your home page, here on the bottom you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of the images. Here I'm selecting one. So I've been loaded to this editing interface. Now again simply tap on this picture to make changes. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called transform. Simply tap on transform, and here on the first option you can see rotate. Simply tap on rotate. Now you can rotate the image in whichever direction you want. So you can use this slider and adjust the image, and you can even crop and make different type of tilts in the image. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.